Look, Alex, fixing to take
Okay, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Golly.
Wow!
Only I can get that.
Man! It's... Yeah, come on back down here.
It's a light.
There we go.
Now, see, now you can tell. Watch the wind, how it'll change.
Look at that. It's a
And I'm going those
video.
trees.
I said.
It's where it's heading.
You going in those trees now?
I can't
yeah.
see it. Used to play in there?
Yeah.
It might be all right.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good.
Look,
you're good. I call it.
I don't even see it on here.
Holding up good, isn't it? That air is
Yeah, if the air would just kick in and blow it this way a little bit more.
Dang, it's really not coming down fast.
the air is
Is the chute
it's
even
picking
like...
up. It's picking up speed now.
Like, where is it?
It's gonna land over there in that
It's
front
blowing
yard.
over there. The wind's blowing that way, I think.
End up in the.
Tree.
Oh, I think it's gonna go on the other side.
Yep.
Go up on the. Go
risk
on the
you gotta
upper
take.
side. I bet you'll find it.
Come on, guys.
Come on,
Come on,
guys.
guys. We're gonna get it.
Oh, you made it.
Is there like a creek over there?
Did it make it?